Hello guys, Assalamu alaikum and namaskar to everyone. This is Amir Bashir Official and you are watching Amir Bashir Official, and today we are going to unbox the Watch 5, that is the copy of Apple 5. You know that Apple has successfully made the T5 series of the Watch 5 series. So the Chinese, in fact, they are now successful to make this watch, that is T5 Pro. We are going to unbox it and I will tell you some details about it and what's good inside and what's bad of it. So guys, we are having the T5 Pro, which is the copy of Apple Watch. I have already told you this. So look at the box first. That is the charging, that's for your walking, and this for calling and this for messaging. These all the specifications you can just connect with your phone. I will show you after connecting to the phone. It means that by messaging by your you can say your watch, the text will send by your phone. All right, same as the call, you can call by your phone. I will show you. These are the specifications over here. You can take a screenshot and you can easily read it. I will not read it because the video will going to be very long. You can see that the markings, we are having the black watch with a blue strap. So let's open it right now. All right, so let's open it, and this is the packing. It's a good packing over here. This for the dust. All right, so we are having our watch over here, and let's see, it's very clearly packed. All right, oh my god, this is a very huge watch, it was very huge. You can see it's very heavy right now, and these are the markings for the magnetic charging, and this is for the heart rate sensor, and there is something overwritten that smartwatch 44mm, all these things. Let's see its display. You can see the display. Oh, it's beautiful. You can change the watch faces through your phone. If there is an application, if the application supports the phone, you can change it. If I bring out here, you can see it's a good display. It's a good display. It's actually the TFT display. I think it's a 240 to 240 TFT that is enriched with the OLED screen. Okay, it means the TFT is enriched with the OLED screen, and we are having the heart rate, messaging, dialer, contacts, and I will show you about the settings, and it's about things. Yeah, this is the device name over here. The device address may be 0 if you don't connect with your phone. It will be like this if you connect it to your phone. I was just wondering to connect, but I just checked the watch, therefore this is written over here. Okay. So guys, let's look out the strap. It's you can see navy blue. As you can see that it's made up of a good quality. I won't say that it's bad, it's good quality. You can say that you can see the elasticity in it right now, and this is a strap you can easily just touch with your watch. I will show you how to do it. Let's open the back side of the cover. Okay, so what we get here, we are getting the magnetic charger. Okay, magnetic charger like this. You just put your watch over here. Okay, then just close it like this. All right, just slowly close it. It will sound like this, and I'm just connecting to my laptop for just checking the charging. So you can see that USB charger has connected. All right, so it's charging the watch. All right, so when you are connecting these things, I will recommend you to see the user manual. All right, user manual. The main thing over here, that this is the main thing, that how you connect your watch. All right, how you connect your watch like this. Maybe I will feel the difficulty by connecting these things and showing you by connecting to the phone, so I'm just showing you right now. All right, I just connect to this. Let's open it from here. All right, and we are going to connect the device. So just open your Bluetooth. All right, so you can see over here, let's make it visible. You can see it here, T5 Pro. Just connect over here. Okay, it's done, and I'm going to the application. I will put the link in my description for the application. I just downloaded the MediaTek smart device. I found it on the website. All right, it's disconnected right now. Let's scan and let's connect to our T5 Pro. So it's connecting to the device, and you can see it's connected. All right, so guys, it's saying that MTK smart device has connected like this time and these things. So just cancel it over here. In my applications, I have just 3 clock faces. I just install it. You can uninstall these things. If you would like to uninstall the app, it means that just if you go through this application, it will show that how many fast watches you have. Okay, fast. It about the notification. So it's the personal app, it's loading, system application, notification app. You can use all these things as your notification. That I'm just turning it on for my own purpose. So if you go to the device information, it will see the LCD with 240. I've already told you, max memory 102400, and it has a BMI sensor, magnetic sensor, yes, gyro sensor too, yes, hardware sensor, none, and the brand MTK, it's MTK, all right. And it doesn't support GSM and GPS. It just uses the Bluetooth. You can see if you are using a Bluetooth hands-free, then it connects to the call, and it lets you to the, it lets you talk. Same as you can see that it has a hole here. It's speaker, okay, it's a speaker, and the mic over here, you can talk to the mic. And I guess the phone, this watch is, I don't think so, it's IP67 or 68 verified due to these things. All right, due to these things, you can see that water can easily go inside, and this is the disadvantage of this watch. So guys, after going through this my application, I'm just uninstalling the Yahoo weather. Like, okay, I will show the clock I have installed right now. So this is the clock I have installed. You can see that these are the same. If I uninstall this one, all right, if you want, the application is saying so uninstall successful. If you install this again, so install success. So you can change the face watch too, and I really like the display. You can say I really like the display. If I send a message like how are you to anyone, it will pop up over my phone. It will be pop up, and you can see that how are you over here. And if I view it, you can just call it. All right, you can call this man, and you can see it's calling from your phone. All right, calling your phone too. So it has a calling capability. You can talk to it, you can change the watch faces, and it is a good design. It has a good design, I can see, and it's easy to use. All right, easy to use. And I showed you all the things that is happening with the phone. And this 240 to 240, you can easily use the camera. Okay, you can use the camera by your phone. All right, this thing is like this. If you capture, the camera will open in your application. It's not working right now, but I will show you. That is capturing. Okay, and all the things like all those music, you can even listen to the music in your phone. All right, by pressing the music, you can change the volume, and this is a volume button. You can even listen to music by playing music in your phone. If your phone is connected to your device, you can play music. All right, and many things over here. You can see many things. I can say it's a good phone. And the voice assistant, if you just put it took over here, it will just go to the Google, open, say hi Google. You can say hi Google. These things like touch to speed, it will go to hi Google, and it will say that like this. All right, these things are the main specification of the watch. All right, so I liked it. I'm not going to make a video very large, therefore I'm just looking into it and running it back, and hope you enjoy it. Okay, all the specifications are written on the back of the phone. You can easily internet it, and you can find it in Pakistan. I'm from Pakistan, so you can find in Pakistan maybe of 4,500 to 5,000 maybe. And please don't buy those things that above 5,000 to 6,000. I bought it from 4,500. All right, and I like the watch very much. And thank you for watching. As you can see that the straps are like this. You can put it here, and it's there will be the spring over here. You can just press it down right now. I'm showing because many of my friends are asking me that they are feeling very difficulty to put it over here. So it's a strap. You can just put it over here, and it will fit like this. All right, it's like this. It's like this. Just remember it. It's very important step that you should remember it. And these are the markings. You can see that it's the flat surface and it's down surface. The down surface will always remain to the down. So you just put it over here like this. All right, it's an easy step. It's a very easy step, and you just have to do this thing. Just put it according to your wrist. All right, I'm just putting it according to my wrist, so all those who are watching, they won't feel any difficulty by like this. This is the watch I'm wearing. So guys, this was me, Amir Bashir Official. You are watching the channel, and I hope you enjoyed the video clip. And if you have any concern regarding this watch, you can ask me. Soon I will be arrive with an unbox with another watch or any other mobile phone. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and share. Thank you so much.